Hello YouTube. In this video I'll be showing you how to go about chords in FL Studio in 5 minutes. If you like tips and tricks about FL Studio, you can hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, hit a thumbs up by the end of this video, and I would encourage you to stick to the end because I'll be giving some gems as I go along. So yeah, so let's get started. So chords are a basic necessity in music. When it comes to music, it's a building foundation of melodies, and it fills up the song and makes it sound nice and unique. So how do you go about chords in FL Studio? You have to go to the piano roll. I'm already on the piano roll right now. Click on this down arrow, and once you click on this down arrow, go to view, go on helpers, scale highlighting, and here you can click any root note that you want to start in with the key. So for me, I'll just choose C, and it's already on a minor harmonic. So now I can place chords on the screen on the highlighted area. So you need to, when placing notes, you need to skip one highlight area. Alright, so this method is quite cumbersome and long, but it's helpful when you're dealing with such chords, if you don't know about any chords. And the second method that I'm going to show you is using a keyboard. You can use a MIDI keyboard or a normal keyboard. I would actually encourage people who don't have MIDI keyboards or keyboards to use a regular keyboard, computer keyboard. So you go to this icon here, you right click, and you can select which root note you want to start with. So I'll select C4, and I'll go to the minor natural chords. So now on my number pads, on my numbers, like on top of my keyboard, each time I press a number, the chords are highlighted according to the scale that you've chosen. So this is easy for you to come up with melodies and chords very quickly, and it's more creative than the natural method of just putting chords onto the playlist. Let me quickly record something. So from here you can add other notes just to experiment and make it different and unique. And one last tip that I can give you is to go on the piano roll. You can click that and you can select any chords that you want. So I'll go to the minor harmonic, and you can put it anywhere you want to start, and it will just highlight all the notes for the minor harmonic chord. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification to get notified, and I'll see you in the next one.